Jai student, today we are going to discuss the first chapter in the statistics, that is introduction and what is economics. In our life there is a day to day life, different people engage in different type of activities. Farmer plug the field, labor work in a factory, shopkeeper sell his goods in his shop, teacher teach in classroom, and various example. They are all work to earn livelihood. It means that all people in this world work to satisfy their want and desire. We also know that man has a limited want and he required food to eat, cloth to wear, and house to live in. Beside this, for his daily need, he required number of goods for living comfortable life. He remained engaged in work for satisfaction of his want. In order to satisfy his numerous wants, he required various type of goods and services. And goods and services required for satisfactions of human want are they are classified into two groups, that is economic activities and non-economic activities. So first, what is economic activities? The economic activities which undertaken to earn life or activities which can be measured in the terms of money are known as economic activities. In simple language, we can say that different type of activities performed by different people like doctor, teacher, businessman, industrial, lawyer, so on to earn livelihood. An economic activity means which based on the related to the use of scarce resources for the satisfactions of unlimited wants. Now, non-economic activities, these are activities which have no economic aspect, are not concerned with the money or wealth, like social activities, religious activities, charitable activities, like that. And in the non-economic activities, those activities which are not be concerned with the creation of money. Non-economic activities are performed out of love, sympathy, patriotism, sentiment, and etc. Now, the economic activities are also have the five types of. It means that economic activities are classified under the five economic activities, that is production, consumption, investment, and exchange and distribution. Production is that economic activity which is concerned with the increasing the utility value of goods and services. Consumption is that economic activity which is concerned with the uses of goods and services for the direct satisfaction of individual and collective wants. Investment is that economic activity which is concerned with the productions of capital for the further production of goods and services. Exchange is that economic activity which is concerned with the sale and purchase of commodities. Distribution is that economic activities which is deal with the determinations of price of factors of productions, land, labor, capital, enterprise. This is known as a factor pricing. Now the meaning and definition of economics. The proper understanding the meaning of the economics, different economists have different give the different definition. The set of definition given by the economists can be wealth definition given by Adam Smith, material welfare definition given by Marshall, scarcity with Robinson, growth definition simulation. So the overall agar we are looking for the economics definitions, we conclude that economics is the study. Economy is the study of how people or society end up choosing with or without the use of money to employ scarce productivity resources that could have be alternative uses, or to produce various commodity over time and distribute them for consumptions and for future among various persons and group in society. It analyzes the cost and benefit of improving pattern of resource allocation also. According to the Adam Smith, economics is an inquiry into the factor that determine the wealth of a country and its growth. Thank you.